guys, it's me again, Maria, and today I'm going to walk you through converting my paperback to hardcover book because Amazon just released that we can now um, make a version of our book hardcover aside from paperback. But I know it's not all of the books are need to be converted to hardcover. Like for example, coloring books. So I think they just need to be like paperback. But for some other low content book like journals, diaries, or planners, I think it's better for us to make a hardcover version for it because we use that for a long time, almost a year. So for those kind of low content book, we can make a version for hardcover, but not all of the low content book needs to be, have a version of hardcover. But it's all up to you guys. So this is my first time I'm going to make a hardcover for my teacher's journal book. So I'm going to make a hardcover, and I let you see and show you my screen. So now I'm on my KDP site, and I'm going to sign in to my back end to show you guys. So now here is, if you see on my screen, uh, there's a Kindle ebook, there's a paperback, and now they add a new beta hardcover. So I just made a new my new journal, teachers journals, calendar, and lesson plans for teachers. So I think this book I can make a hardcover for it. So for those who wants to use paperback or hardcover, they have an option to choose from. Okay, so this is my first time and I don't know how it goes, so maybe I have a trial and error, but let's see how to do that. Okay, so now here is create a hardcover. Here is, it's written here, it's create hardcover, so I'm gonna click that. On the paperback side, we already put this language is English. So my book title is Teacher's Journal, and your subtitle, Calendar and Lesson Planners for Educators. And here are some of the features that we already filled up on my paperback, so I just leave it the same. I just save this and continue. So we're going to assign a new free, we're gonna ask another free KDP ISBN for our hardcover, because the ISBN for your paperback and for your hardcover is different. So we're gonna ask for free KDP ISBN. So I'm gonna assign that, and then they're gonna give us our new ISBN for our hardcover books. So now we're gonna scroll down again, and I will leave this date will be used when it goes live. So just leave it like that, and it's a black and white interior with white paper, and the size is, okay, so my size there is 8.5 by 11. Where is it? I have my size in there. 8.25. I think this is my size, and it's with bleed, and the cover is matte. So I upload my manuscripts. Okay, so now here I'm gonna upload my manuscript for that, and I'm gonna find it. Where is it? I don't know where that put that. I'm gonna click that, and I'm gonna open it. So it's now uploading. So let's wait a little bit of a minute, and then there it goes. So it says successful, my interior is okay, I've uploaded it. So now I'm going to upload my cover. So here is my cover. I'm gonna upload it, and let's see. Alright, so I've already uploaded my cover because I already made it, and now upload the cover. Okay, so now cover uploaded successfully, and I want to see if it is okay, if my margin is okay. So I'm gonna launch the preview. So launch that preview before you save and continue, so you'll see how your hardcover book looks like. Let's wait for a second, and then guys, if you are creating a books on KDP, we all go through this kind of process. So let's have a little bit patient, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so now guys, I'm back, and now you see the error. So I need to fix this one because your expected cover size is 18.45 by 12.417, but the submitted file is. So I need to get this size. You see this one? I'm gonna copy that somewhere, and okay, I'm gonna copy that somewhere. And as you see, guys, here are the errors. So the errors are gonna tell you what page. So this text is outside the margin, so your page one is this one. Here on book cover, we're going to download the KDP template for the book cover size for our hardcover. So I'm gonna download. So here you're gonna print cover calculator. We're gonna calculate our book cover. So the building type is to select it's a hardcover. Okay, we select it's a hardcover because I've already have a paperback. And the interior type is black and white. The paper type is just white paper. And then page turn direction, so we're gonna do the, this is a left to right, right, left to right. And then measurement, select one is in inches, it's inches. So interior trim size is interior trim size is 8.25 by 11. So the page count is what's the page count on my book? I think it's 80 pages. Hold on, I'm gonna check. Alright, so it's 85 pages. So it's 85. Calculate the dimension. So here is the dimension of the data that you input in here. So it should be like this. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna download this. So I have a template to trace in. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on my desktop so I can easy for me to see later on. So I'm gonna save it. So now I'm going to I don't know where I'm going. I'm going to maybe PowerPoint and upload this and upload my, or I'm going to Canva maybe, or I don't think Canva is fine. I think let's do the PowerPoint. Let's try on the PowerPoint. Okay, so now once you download the template, it's on a save file, so we're going to extract the file so we can get the size that they needed. Alright, so now it's already in there. Now let's go to my PowerPoint and let's upload that size. So we're going to insert, okay, so let's see, go to the picture and insert where is that? Alright, there you go. And then we're gonna open this one and open here and insert. Okay, so I'm just gonna duplicate this one, and then I'm going to insert my cover. There you go. So I'm going to insert my cover, and let's see now it fits now into my KDP size that they want. So what I'm going to do is just to stretch it out a little bit there on the top, and then just pull down here a little bit to fit the size of your hardcover. All right, so I think this is okay, and now let's save this and let's try to upload it on KDP if this will okay, no errors. So I think my hardcover is this. So this is the hardcover of my paperback book for Teacher's Journal. So I just create a new size for the hardcover, and then I'm gonna save this one. Alright guys, so now once we've done with that, we're going back to the KDP, and I'm going to upload my hardcover again into this where is it? Here. Alright, so since I resized it, so I'm gonna upload my cover again, and I hope this works. Let's see. Now here is the hardcover template PDF, and then I'm gonna open it, and let's see if I get another more errors for this. If not, then lucky. If yes, we need to go back over and over again for you to resize it and fix it. Okay, so now there you go. Here it is, and I want to make a preview, of course. So you always launch the preview first before you submit it, so you can see if you got an error. If no, it's okay, and then you can keep going and continue uploading your book. Alright, so now it's still saving and preparing for files, and let's wait a little bit seconds. So alright guys, so now I'm done of uploading this, and I resize it, so you see the quality check is okay. Please check, so there's no more error here. So this is my front cover for my hardcover, and if you check more of the interior, it's all good, so there's no more errors for margins. And I already fixed this one because this the page one is my the error that I've got. So once we've done with that, what we're gonna do is to approve it. So if you're good with that, and then okay, I'm ready to approve it. So this is my teacher's journal. The only book that I want to have a hardcover. The rest of it, it's all good on paperback because it's all children's book. So once you've done with this, there's no more error, and then we're gonna approve it. Okay. So once you approve it, it brings you to the next page on where you are getting more settings. So here is the price of the hardcover. It's a little bit expensive than paperback, but it's 680, and yeah, that's the price. So we're gonna save it and continue. Alright, so it's been successful. Alright, so now let's go on to the pricing. Alright, so now here's is where you're gonna price your hardcover book. So here you see the rate. So it's up to you guys on how much you wanna to price your book. I think I'm just gonna price this for, I don't remember how much I priced for my paperback, but it's all up to you. Well, if I price this for, let's say, 9.99, 9.99, let's see how much. Oh, oh, you see here, the minimum is 11.33 and maximum is this. So I cannot price with this. So I need to change this to, like, let's say, uh, $12. Oh no, let's say 12. So the printing is 680, right? So you only get 40 cents of royalty if you price it for $12. So if you're okay with that, and then go on. If not, you can still change the price or whatever you want. So I think I might just um, and for other some and for other branches of Amazon, like in UK, so you get a different royalty from here. You will see. And if I use this, like, say 12.99, okay, let's say 12.99. So you got 99 cents royalty for Amazon, and for others are like this. So I might say 12.99, and then I will publish it. So if you're good with that, and if you want to request a printed proof of this book that you can order from Amazon card, you just get this one, and publish this, and then it's saving, and now you will see the result. Let's see, wait for a minute, and now it's successful. So it shows you up here once you've done, your hardcover has been submitted. So it's 12.99. So the teacher's journal, calendar, and lesson planner for educators is price of 12.99. So once you've done with that, it says here that now your book is done, and then it passes our review. That means you pass the review for the margins and everything, interiors, and your cover. So it takes like 72 hours. So sometimes for me it takes like 2 days or 3 days before it goes live to Amazon. So let's wait for a minute for days and 72 hours. I think sometimes it takes just 1 day or things like that, or 2 days. So we're done with this. So let's just close this one. And to see your book is here, go to your bookshelf, and then you will see that it's still in a review. So your hardcover is in review. So once they approve that, you will get an email from Amazon that your book is on live already. So you will see here, guys, I have my hardcover in review, and I have my paperback on live. So in this book I have two versions, so the customers can choose the options of getting a paperback or getting a hardcover book for them for teachers journal. So yeah, if you put a hardcover on your book, it will shows up here that you have a paperback version and you have a hardcover version. All right, so hope you like this video, guys, and hope this helps you to on how you can create your hardcover for your books. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials about publishing your book for KDP, especially for me. If you're just beginner like me that's just getting started, you have to go on a process and a trial and error till you get use of how you can publish your book to Amazon. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you next time. Bye.